What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Narzo 70 Pro randomly shuts off. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys because it can suddenly press while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly check your volume and power keys. After that open your settings. In settings scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on schedule power on or off. Now here you can enable your power schedule power on or off. If you turn on these buttons then turn it off. After turn off these buttons then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.